evolutionary view equal time, and I believe I give it a fair shake. I believe I give the creation view a fair shake. Wait a minute, you don't even think it's a theory?
Well, I mean, it's not really, I mean, basically it's not been proven. I mean, we had to be put here, some supernatural thing. I mean, we couldn't have evolved from such a simple organism into what we are now. I mean, there's no way, the way that they think that it all started.
I don't think God has to have evolution to make a world. I don't think a supernatural being has to use a natural process. I know a lot of people that believe he did use a natural process, but I don't personally believe that a supernatural, all-powerful, omnipotent being has to use a natural process to create.
All right, you got your supernatural, which would be God, and he actually, like he said